Hey guys! So in today's video, I'll be talking about my 5 school essentials that I think can make your school year a bit more productive, organized, fun, and overall are just useful to have. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. My first essential for school is a study playlist. When I didn't have one, I would listen to any song that I liked at the moment, and because of that, I've had multiple cases where I started singing along while studying, or I've written down the lyrics of the song inside my homework. And that is not cool, so I highly recommend that you sit down and make a playlist of chill songs or even songs that don't have any lyrics. And you can listen to those songs in that playlist for the rest of the school year. Or if you're too lazy, you can just go on Spotify or overall your music app and find playlists that are specifically made for students or for focusing. Now, I personally like to take advantage of the Study and Chill playlist that is made by Study with Inspo. This playlist is so cozy and so chill. However, sometimes I'm really distracted and I need something a bit more focusing, so I've made my own playlist that only has melodies inside. My next essential is an emergency or survival kit. This can save you and your friends from a ton of embarrassing situations throughout the school year, so I highly recommend that you put one together before school actually starts. So I'd recommend putting in some toiletries, some tissues, also some gum to help you with your breath. If you do your makeup, then I highly recommend you keep a mirror in there. And of course, it goes without saying that you need hand sanitizer in there. Also, if you take any classes with physical activity, a deodorant or a perfume would be really nice. If you have long nails, make sure to have a nail clipper in there and also a hair tie, because I personally always lose mine. These are only a few ideas for things you can keep in there, but you can really customize this to what you actually need. For example, if you do your makeup, then you can put some makeup remover wipes and also a few makeup products to fix your makeup in here. If you don't have one of these, make sure to create one as soon as you can. My next essential is a planning system. This is really important because this will help you to stay on top of your assignments, any tests and quizzes coming up, any papers, projects. There are so many things going on in school that you really need to stay on top of. So this will help you to put everything in one place and get really organized. This will prevent situations where you remember about an assignment 2 hours before it's due, or even more tragic, after it's due. Now, a little tip that I have for you is to buy a planner that is simple but really helps you and focuses on productivity. Last year, I made the mistake of getting the cutest planner I could find. However, probably 95% of the planner is empty now, and that's because it just wasn't the right planner for school. This year, however, I'm using planners from Clever Fox, who I'm partnering up today for today's giveaway that I'm doing. So they are all about focusing on your goals, building good habits, and increasing your productivity. And they have super helpful spreads directly inside the planner, so I thought it would be really great for you guys. So the planners are undated, so you can use them whenever you want. And also they have recycled paper inside, so it's not wasteful whatsoever. At the end of the planner, you get a lot of dot grid pages, so if there's a specific spread you wish was inside the planner, you can add it yourself, which is just so freaking genius. So for the giveaway, you guys will be able to win one planner of your choice from the whole Clever Fox planner line, so whichever one you want. To give you a quick overview, there's a daily planner that has a monthly layout, a daily layout, and then a weekly review layout at the end. My favorite one is the weekly layout. So here you get monthly and weekly pages along with certain pages to focus on your goals. If you guys are in college, you have to get the budget planner because this helps you set financial goals, come up with a strategy, track your savings, any debt that you may have, and also calculate your monthly budget and expenses. There's also the dotted notebook, and this one is perfect if you love bullet journaling because it has over 120 dot grid pages, and also I did a pen test here and the pages do not bleed through whatsoever. Finally, there's a pro version for the planner which dives deeper into self-reflection, vision boards, your goals, monthly reviews, and just really helps you plan everything out in the finest detail possible. If you win this giveaway, you can choose one of the 5 planners I just mentioned and also the color of the planner so that you guys are completely in love with it and it just really fits your needs. The giveaway will end on the 15th of September, and all you have to do to enter is click the first link in the description box for more details. My next essential is a study environment or a study space. So I really hope that yours is clean, quiet, and has good lighting because that's really important. But most importantly, it needs to have a lot of fresh air inside because that's the only way your brain can function the best. And another tip that I have is to only keep the essentials on your desk while studying to reduce any type of distractions because you probably don't need 20 different highlighters and 15 different gel pens when you're doing some type of studying. So always stick to the essentials and make sure that there's no clutter around you. And overall, I would recommend just doing a little declutter for your desk before school starts. My 5th essential is an organization system for your notes, for papers, all that type of stuff. Now, throughout the school year, you're going to get a lot of papers, a lot of handouts, you're going to write essays, do assignments, but also take a lot of notes, make flashcards, things like that. And you have a lot of stuff that you need to organize. Having an organization system doesn't mean having a perfectly organized binder, but it needs to be organized enough so that when exam season comes around and you start revising, you don't have to flip through your whole binder to find a certain assignment you need to refer to. Instead, you know exactly where to find it because you have a really nice system in place. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can't find the system that's going to work best for you immediately. Instead, you really have to try out different systems because one system could make you really disorganized while the other one could work really, really well for you. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about my school organization system for papers, for notes, all that stuff, and also give you tips for organization. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to do that and also turn on your notifications so that you guys don't miss out on this upcoming video. Before you go, make sure to let me know in the comments down below what is your dream travel destination. If you could travel somewhere right now, where would you go to? I'd probably go to Italy because it's just so gorgeous. But anyways, make sure to have a great day and I'll see you super soon with another video.